Hi, to turn on and off automatic screen brightness on your iPhone 16e, you need to go in your phone settings first. Here, start scrolling down to find Accessibility tab. And after that, pick Display and Text Size. So now scroll all the way down and you will see Auto Brightness. If you can see that switcher is green, then it is turned on. So to turn off, you need to just tap it like that, and that's it. When disabled, it may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. But this is how you can turn it off and turn on. So to turn on, just tap on the switcher again, and it will light up green. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.